Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this session, I'm going to teach you what are the optimal approach we are having to solve four main problems, that is find max or minimum element and second largest element, and check if array is sorted or not, and the fourth one is remove duplicates in the sorted array. Okay, let's go one by one. I will explain you everything in detail. So first, what we are doing is we are having an array, okay, that is 3, 5, 1, 8, 2. Finding the maximum or minimum element, you will think, let's sort the array. And then a minimum element would be the starting element, that is the zeroth index, and maximum would be n minus 1. But if you do that for the sorting, the time complexity would be log n. So we are not going in that approach. Rather than that, we are taking a two variable, that is the max and min. We are assigning that to the zeroth index, that is the value will be 3, max will be 3, min will be 3. So in the loop, we are going to start from the first index, that is 5, whether I is equal to 1 in the sense 5, whether 5 is less than array length, yes, 5 plus plus, okay. Array length in the sense is 5 is the last index or is it continuing, okay. So now inside the loop, what it is happening is, if array I is equal to 1 in the sense 5, is 5 greater than max, that is 3? Yes. Then instead of 3, we are going to update it as 5. Okay, here the max will be 5. If array is less than min, no it is not, then we are going to just retain 3. Okay, this is how you are going to test for each and everything. Then you are going to take 1. 1 is not greater than 5. So 5. 1 is 1 should be in the min position, that is 1 is less than 3, that is the true one. Okay, then we are taking 8. 8 is greater than 5, so 8 will be here, and 8 is less than 1, no it is not true. Then the same for 2. 2 is greater than 5, no. 2 is less than 1, no. So the maximum one will be the 8 and minimum one will be the 1. Okay. Next, we will go for the second largest element. So we are going to assign min value to both. First, what we are doing is we are running the for loop. We are checking in the array. If the number is greater than largest, then we are going to assign that largest value to the second largest and this number to the largest. And we are checking the duplicacy, and this is how the dry run is done. And for the second largest element, I have done a separate series of the session. Do check it out in the video. Check if arrays are sorted or not. So we are going to assign a variable is sorted. Why it is a boolean means because we just want whether it is to be true or false. So we are going to take the boolean value for this, where we have taken an array that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. If array of I, that is this one, sorry, this one, let's take, is less than array of I minus 1, that is the previous one. So it's not the true in this case. So we are going to return a sorted, a boolean valued function to be as false, and we are breaking the statement of the for loop, and we are going here when I is equal to 2. We are just checking whether 3 is, which is a false, and then we are checking 4 is less than 3, 5 is less than 4. So in the end, we are just printing out the sorted one. So final would be true. Then these are the dry run cases. And then moving on to the last problem, removing the duplicates. That is, if you see in the array, we are having 1, 2, 3 to be the duplicates one. Okay, we are checking in the array length. If the array, okay, first we are going to take the index position 0, that is, I will be 1 for the first value. Then we are keeping another one, that is the jth array, where we are checking if array of j is not equal to array of I. Then we are keeping placing the jth element in the ith array, and we are incrementing it to the next one, and array of I will be array of j. Might be you have like you will be in the confusion state. What exactly is happening is, see, in the j, for 1, array of j would be 1, in the I 0. So what happens is, when we take the second one, I will be 1, so it will be updated to 1. Next, in the second one, we have 2, it will be updated in the array. And then if you see the third index, you have 2, which will be the same. We are just going to neglect it. So 1 and 2. Then in the 4, we have 3. This is a new element which is not equal to 2. 1, 2, and 3. So new length would be only 3. And these are the unique elements. So we have covered pretty much basic about the array. So in the next session, we will be discussing a one level up, and do like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video.